Everyone around you seems to be moving faster. You're working hard, but somehow they're getting better jobs, better opportunities, more respect, and you're sitting there wondering what you're missing. It's not talent, it's not luck, it's 5 specific skills, and most people never even hear about them. The hidden enemy, invisible incompetence. The real villain isn't laziness, it's operating without leverage. You're putting in the effort, using outdated tools while others are compounding. Every day without these skills, the gap widens. Warren Buffett didn't just work hard, he mastered compounding. Not just money, compounding skills, compounding knowledge, compounding reputation. The gap is growing whether you feel it or not. Skill 1. Learning how to learn. Most people consume information, they never absorb it. They watch, scroll, listen, and forget 80% within 48 hours. Elon Musk calls it semantic tree thinking. Before details, build the trunk. Understand frameworks, not just facts. Active recall beats passive watching every single time. Stop consuming. Start encoding. Skill 2. Using AI as a thinking partner. AI isn't replacing thinkers. It's replacing non-thinkers. The people winning right now are using AI to think faster, write sharper, solve deeper. Not to cheat, to compound. One prompt from you plus AI output can create in 1 hour what used to take a week. Your AI skills are your new IQ. Skill 3. Communication that moves people. Gandhi freed a nation, not with weapons, but words. Obama walked into rooms and shifted energy. Communication isn't talking. It's making people feel understood, then led. Learn to write. Learn to speak clearly under pressure. Learn to listen and reflect back. Whoever communicates best wins. Skill 4. Emotional regulation. Most young people are one bad comment away from a spiral. One rejection from quitting. Kobe Bryant got caught, doubted, outplayed, and responded with obsession, not collapse. Emotional regulation means choosing your response over your reaction. React equals weak. Respond equals powerful. Skill 5. Building in public. The world rewards visibility. Your skills mean nothing if nobody sees them. Document your process, share your failures. Build trust before you need it. Alex Hormozy built an empire by showing up and sharing openly before selling anything. Being seen is a skill. Practice it. The deeper truth. Here's what nobody tells you. These 5 skills feed each other. Learning faster means you communicate better. Better communication builds emotional trust. Emotional regulation makes you consistent. Consistency makes you visible. And AI multiplies all of it. One skill changes your week. All 5 change your life. The challenge. Pick one of these 5 right now and go deep on it this week. Not all 5. 1. Go obsessive. Then come back. Which skill are you starting with? Comment it below.